it softly spoke.
Alright YouTube, welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna video all my birds, breeders, flyers, my new birds. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. So of course I'm starting off with the parrots. So yeah, still haven't named them as yet. Just gave them 2 carrots to eat. They're enjoying it. So yeah guys, I clipped their wing. Couldn't afford to lose them. And they're going on fine. As you can see, I left the cage open every now and then just for them to get tamed to me. So yeah, they're doing pretty well. I think this one, yeah, this one here is the one that speaks the most and whistle. Hello? 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 So I'm assuming that's the female. I'm not sure if you guys know the difference between them. I know that the birds in the wild, the one with the brighter color, is always male. So yeah, they use color to attract the female. But this one, I'm not sure as to why. I think it's a female, but I think that one is the female and this one is the male. This one is bigger, he's stronger. When I was clipping the wings, he was very strong. So yeah. And here we go. These are my flyers, my white flyers. Those 2 with the red. This one is a muley man. If you look at that one beside him on the left, this one has a little speckle of red on him. So that one is from the breeding pair. The daddies other colored ones. So they give me pure white, but sometimes they give me pure white with a little blemish on the feathers. I'm about to let these out for the first time, so I'll try to incorporate that in the video. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 flyers. Next we have the tipplers. So yeah guys, tipplers doing fine. Yellow here and the red. These are the 4 that was flying in my last video. And of course, you can see here. Let me see if I can take these out for you. Just give me a moment. Alright guys, so I just adjusted the camera. So I'm gonna show you the tippler squabs. Remember you guys were cheering on some colors, giving some input. I'm gonna show you guys the color I got. Just bear with me a moment. Alright. So the first color. First one is a blue bar, just like the mom. So the N is a very good flyer, and see we here we got a blue bar, and based off the color breeding for pigeon, I'm pretty sure that this is the male. Pretty sure this is the male. If you guys think otherwise, tell me in the comments. Wow, missed that by an inch. And tell me why you think otherwise. But from my experience and point of view, this one has to be the male. Alright, let me take out the next one. This is the pretty one. Wow. So yeah, this is a red grizzle. So the dad is a, I would call the dad a grizzle also, but not red. It doesn't have any red. But blue bar and the red, this is what they gave. Blue bar and the grizzle, this is what they gave me. A red grizzle. This one is the N, smaller. So I'm gonna get some nice color from this pair. As I stated, Mike, I'm always getting unique colors. Mike from Rocky Ridge Kennel. Yeah, I know you're watching, bro. Yeah, I always get some unique colors from the tipplers. Matter of fact, from all my birds, I'm always getting unique colors. So yeah, this is what I got from the tippler. Blue bar and the grizzle. So I'm gonna feed them shortly. Alright, let me see what I have next. So I have the tippler's breeding pair here. This is my breeding pair for my tippler pigeons. That is what would you call that color? Blue or black checker. And the N is yellow module. Yeah, they call that color a yellow module for the N. Yellow module for the N. So that's the original breeding pair from a tippler. First generation. Yeah, this pair. So these two are the parents for this blue bar, that grizzle, this yellow, and that red. I would call this one a, no, I wouldn't call this a grizzle. What color you think this one is? Guys, comment, let me know what color you think this bird is. I know it's a red, but what pattern, what type? Comment and let me know. Alright, so that's it for the tipplers. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 tipplers, and the original breeding pairs and 2 egg. Alright, so moving on now. This is my racers. As you can see, Sky is not with Bolt. Sky didn't come back from the race. However, I got a different end to put with Bolt. So Bolt is a red checker, and the new end I got for him is a blue checker with white flights. I think she has the splash gene in her also. If you can see right at her eye, and above her eye is a little white spot. So yeah, Bolt has a new end, people. Blue checker. So all the color breeders out there, what breed do you think I'm gonna get? What color? From a blue checker and a red checker. Alright, so that's it for Bolt. Champion bird. His squabs, JR and Bro came back first and second from the race. Alright guys, next up is my roller pigeon. These give me some nice squab. Yeah, these aren't roller pigeons up here. These are pure whites from the second breeding pair. So I gave them these 2 eggs to foster. Let me see if I can take them out for you. Getting really big. One chance to band them. Band them very early because the last set I didn't get to band them. So yeah guys. These are 2 white. So see, I always try to get pure white from this pair, but they always give me some colors that they give me pure white. However, sometimes they young as black beak or a little black or red somewhere in the body, but this one look as if it's gonna be pure white. So yeah, this one is good. This is the second squab. This one is pure white. Really nice. Very healthy too. Alright, let me see if I can put them back. And move on. I'm gonna take these down probably today. Put them in a little bowl on the floor because the end look as if she's gonna lay. I don't want her to lay on the floor, so I'm gonna put the squabs on the floor instead. Alright, moving along. So I have 2 roller pigeon up here. These are my 2 flyers, best one thus far. Chocolate rolls a lot, very quick, very frequent. Alright guys, so I'm moving on now. So yeah, I have a surprise for you all. I'm gonna show you guys a surprise. Adjusting the camera, so just bear with me. It's gonna shake a bit. Alright, so this is my favorite breeding pair, as you all know, but I have a surprise for you all with them. So today is Wednesday, right? And last night I came home, I checked the eggs. While I was checking the egg, I'm gonna show you guys what I see, or what I saw. That's what I came on, man. So 3 eggs. Yeah. So one is a bit smaller than the 2, but yeah, this pair gave me 3 eggs, surprisingly. First, my pigeon ever laid 3 eggs, at least at this location, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be fertile. Let's see. The 2 big one is fertile, but being that the smaller one was laid Monday night, I'm gonna check it tonight or later on in the day to see if it's fertile. Alright, let me see what I have next. Bear with me a moment. Trying to get used to this camera. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so this is my second breeding pair for my whites. Yeah, these 2 are the one that always give me the little blemish colors. As you can see, the dad beak is a bit dark on the edges, and that's the end. The end is a pure white. So yeah, my 2 breeding pair, and these are my blacks. I'm trying to breed some jet black pigeon. They don't look like they started to pair as yet. I'm assuming that one is the hen and that this one on the floor is the male. So yeah, guys, hoping to get some eggs from these soon. My only problem is that I'm not sure if the one on the bowl there is a female, but let's see. I'm giving them a couple days. They're in this cage for about 2 days now, so let's see the result. Alright, next up I have some roller pigeon here, 4 to be exact. Brown man, 2 squab. So the 2 roller pigeon you see on the white Oma, young squab, yeah, these are their offspring. And these are 2 racers. I'm not sure what's my plan for these as yet, but I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, guys, I don't want to draw the video out any longer. It's been about 20 minutes, but just wanted to give you guys an update on all my birds. So I'm gonna start some feeding now. I'm gonna let these guys out for the first time. Let me see if I can do it, show you guys. So yeah, so they're trying to eat the feed off the ground. Don't want them to do that, so I'm gonna put the phone down and attend to these young birds. So thanks for watching, guys.